From the following list of learner characteristics, identify those which are associated with field independent learning, and the answer is B. 2, 3 and 4 option is right option. In Hindi, this answer B is the right answer. Okay, second question is the purpose of formative evaluation is to the grade student learning outcomes is summative evaluation. Its right answer is provide feedback to teacher effectiveness. I am not much sure about it, but I think D is the right answer. Here D is the right answer. Okay. Third one is which of the following is the set of statement best represent the nature of objective of टीचर एंड लर्निंग. आई थिंक इसका फर्स्ट ऑप्शन तो होगा ही नहीं, क्योंकि टीचिंग कोई सेलिंग नहीं है और लर्निंग कोई बाइंग नहीं है, तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन नहीं होगा, तो बचेगा बी ऑप्शन. आई थिंक बी इज़ द राइट आंसर हेयर. ओके, इन हिंदी हेयर बी इज़ द राइट आंसर. ओके, फर्स्ट नहीं होगा तो बी इज़ द राइट. Which of the following is devoted to telecasting high quality educational program over TV? High quality educational program TV पर किसके आते हैं? स्वयं प्रभा के आते हैं. 40 DTH चैनल्स है जो कि 24/7 अवेलेबल रहते हैं. ये चैनल GS8015 सैटेलाइट का यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which of the following factor least affect learning? I am not much sure about the answer, but I think according to my side, socio-economic status of family is the least affect learning. Okay, next one is the issue of research ethics may be considered patient at which stage of research? So at the stage of reporting the finding is the right answer. Next one is which of the following is not a characteristics of experimental research? So there are 4 characteristics of experimental research. First one is control, manipulation, observation and replication. So here the right answer is content analysis is not the characteristic of experimental research. In Hindi, here Swayam Prabha is the right answer. In this question, according to my side, I think this will be the right answer. In sixth question, D will be the right answer. Okay. In seventh question, D will be the right answer. Okay. Next one is which sequence of activities best presents the cyclic nature of action research methodology, and the answer is A. Plan, act, of. Next one is which of the following is not the critical feature of qualitative research, and the answer is D. Seeking to establish relationship among measured social factor. Okay, in Hindi, here the answer is D. Sorry, A will be the right answer. In ninth question, here C will be the right answer. Next one is which is the striking feature of modern India? So absence of bycode is the right answer. Next is breaking down in verbal communication is described as entropy is the right answer. Next is assertion. Formal communication tend to be fast and flexible. So formal communication is not always to be fast and flexible. So this is wrong assertion, and the reason is formal communication is a symmetric and orderly flow of information. So this is the right statement. The answer is A is false, but R is correct. Okay. Next question is match the following list. So here physiological communication barrier का जो description है वो poor retention है. इसका मैं properly sure हूँ, तो B का 3 हो जाएगा. B का 3 कहीं भी नहीं है, यहीं पे है, तो B is the right answer हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. In Hindi, okay. In Hindi, here 15, here D is the right answer. Here D is the right answer. Okay, here D is the right answer, and here B is the right answer. Okay. Next question is the communication among persons working at different level who have no direct reporting relationship is called diagonal communication. Okay, D is the right answer. Next question is in a classroom transforming verbal and non-verbal sign back to the message is called encoding. B is the right answer. In next, here numbers is available -10, -3, 3, 8, 12. Firstly, you have to calculate the distance between the numbers. 10 और 3 के बीच में 6 का डिफरेंस है, -3 और 3 के बीच में 5 का डिफरेंस है, देन 4 का डिफरेंस, देन 3 का डिफरेंस, देन 2 का डिफरेंस आएगा. 12 के बाद 2 का डिफरेंस, 12, 13, 14 एंड यहाँ पे आंसर हो जाएगा 15. बी विल बी द राइट आंसर. In next question, three bells ring together at 8 a.m. and then they ring at the interval of 6 minutes 9 minutes and 12 minutes respectively. But when will they ring together again? I think I'm not much sure about it. I think 8:36 will be the right answer according to my calculation. Okay. And the next question is, in a certain coding language, chemistry is written as this code, and then the same code is this will be written as geometry किस कोड में लिखा जाएगा. ओके तो यहाँ पे बहुत सिंपल था ये. केमिस्ट्री को हम लिख लेंगे, सी के बाद आएगा डी, जी एच ई एफ एल एम आई जे आर एस टी यू क्यू आर. तो इसी तरह से हम सेम ज्योमेट्री का कोड भी इसी तरह से लिख लेंगे. जी के बाद एच डी ई ओ पी एल एम ई एफ एस टी. तो यहाँ पे ये हमारा सही कोड हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे आंसर कौन सा हो जाएगा? ए विल बी द राइट आंसर. ओके इन हिंदी here the D will be the right answer. Here and encoding is the right answer. Here 15 is the right answer. Okay, in this here 8:36 will be the right answer according to my point of view. Okay, here A will be the right answer. Thanks for watching. Next video का लिंक मैं इसी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगी. Okay, thank you. Thanks.